is Safira, and I'm 6 years old, and I'm in first
Can I
grade.
see?
Let me see your lip.
And I'm in first grade.
Closer.
And today I'm gonna be pulling out my third tooth, which is
Hold it in the air like this way, so
very
it comes
loose.
up, not down. Pull it
Yeah, you don't pull it down. You will pull it out this way. And you got to hold it closer.
right there.
Right
Wrap it around
there.
your finger.
Yeah, wrap it, loop it around your finger. Stick your finger out.
Now hold the
And
string.
then squeeze it right here.
Hold the string right there.
You pulled it!
And it was gonna hurt so bad. Oh my gosh. Didn't even feel it, did you? No?
You pulled it, look! You pulled your tooth.
Look, ain't even feel it. Didn't even know it came out. Look, thought she was gonna hurt so bad. Ain't even hurt, did it?
Come in, don't come in before you lose it.
It didn't hurt, did it?
Come on, let's
We're
read.
gonna pull it out now.
Look, I'ma
Papa did it.
see. No, you did it. Your hands were on it. Ew. All right, come on.
Get cleaned out.